Hi there, I'm Ange, and this is my review of this remineralizing gum from Dentagum. I want to thank the brand for sending it to me. Its main ingredient is Nano-Hydroxyapatite, which is what our teeth, dentin, and our bones are made out of. And it's an absolute essential ingredient. One of the other main things that makes this gum work is erythritol and xylitol, and those both reduce the acids in your mouth. This has bee propolis, which is a natural antimicrobial and antibacterial. It has bentonite clay, which is a natural detox product. It has coconut oil, it has activated charcoal, and so many good things. It's completely plant-based. It's sugar-free. Most sugar-free gums have aspartame in them. This absolutely does not. It has a really nice minty flavor. This is what it looks like. There are 60 pieces of gum in here. And that's what they look like before you chew them. And if this doesn't gross you out too much, that's what it looks like after I've been chewing it for about 5 minutes. So very similar to normal gum, but maybe not quite as soft and gooey. It's a little bit firmer. And that's partly because it's made from tree resins. And tree resin is something that people have been chewing for thousands of years to keep their teeth clean and strong. So this is just a fantastic product. I'm really happy with it and happy about it. Happy that there is something like this. They recommend chewing 2 a day for at least 3 months to help heal cavities that are starting. It will help desensitize your teeth. And just our natural dentist highly recommends hydroxyapatite and xylitol in any toothpaste or mouth rinse or gum. So this is a fantastic find. Hope that helps. Have a great day.